The Police High Command has launched a major investigation into allegations of death threats against former National Security Minister Robert Montague. Law enforcement officials in the United States are helping local police personnel with the investigation, which includes a number of jurisdictions. Details in this report. Bounty on Bobby. New York gun smugglers in alleged plot to kill former National Security Minister. Chilling words on the front page of the Sunday Gleaner. Members of the criminal underworld are reportedly upset with the former National Security Minister because he is handing over scammers to the United States. The Jamaica Constabulary Force later confirmed on Sunday that it has launched a multi-jurisdictional investigation into allegations of the threats against Robert Montague. They are being assisted by law enforcement officials in the United States as the threat reportedly came from overseas. The JCF says it takes all threats seriously and investigates them, adding that actions have been taken to cover the minister's safety and security. In reacting to the news, opposition spokesman on national security Fitz Jackson said it's unfortunate and urged the police to quickly deal with the matter.
It cannot be the case that those who lead the fight against criminals, they themselves are put under threat by those whose business is to cause harm and destruction in the Jamaican people.
Meanwhile, the Sunday Gleaner report also described the gun route to Jamaica, from the United States to the Bahamas, then Haiti, and to Jamaica. The men usually travel by boat or small aircraft.
And I hope that the JCF and all the other security personnel do not relent in this effort to identify those who are responsible for making guns available to the Jamaican criminal underworld and to take the necessary steps necessary to bring them to justice.